This is the Smart Tool Trolley. So we'll start by demoing the user access. So there's a few ways to access the system. She's showing you how the cat access. You can also use facial recognition. So after you're in, you will want to select the tool that you want to borrow. You can either select from the drawer directly or you can search for the tools. So upon pressing the button, the drawers will open. So you can take one or multiple tools. Upon closing the drawers, the system will do a scan. Yeah, so we can set the timer here. So currently it's set to 10 seconds. So once it's done, the user needs to confirm that these are indeed the tools that she wants to borrow. Okay, next we will show you how the tools are being returned. Yeah, once you scan the RFID, the correct drawer will open up and you can just put back the tools into the corresponding locations. So it's the same thing. After you close it, then they will do a scan. So you can see that it's been returned. Yeah, so that's it for the borrowing. We also have other features built in, for example, expiry dates. Yeah, the borrowing record. So if you see the borrow records, right, you can actually see that. Oh, you can see from here.